to nail the ThermalBuck into place. So what you need to do is you need to have at least 1.25 inches penetration into the lumber itself. So you need to take the thickness of the ThermalBuck, which is 1/2 inch, and add 1.25 inches. So you need 1 3/4 nail. You can use a nail gun. You can hand nail, whatever you prefer to do. We use galvanized nails. Aluminum can tend to bend when you're driving them in. When we're doing this, make sure you're pushing back in, lots of force. The reason for clamping the corners is to hold everything tight till the sealant sets. What we do is we drive a 2 inch, 1 3/4 inch, whatever you want to do, whatever you have, roofing nails into the corners so they cross across the section like you're seeing right here. That way it holds the two pieces and keeps them from moving until the sealant sets. So, as you see, I'm nailing these into place, and as I'm driving these nails in, they seem to have some resistance to them. That's because this is not a typical foam like you would use in a home application. This is a very high density foam. That way it can handle the loads required on it when holding the shear load of the window and the wind load placed onto the walls. This insulation is actually about 4 to 5 times denser than what you would typically have in a typical wall insulation. Next step is to smooth out any excess that you have. Make sure we have all the seams really well covered.